Hey Farm Heart, Sis here coming at you from Kedesh Farm Homestead. I hope everybody is having an awesome day. We have been busy around my homestead today and hadn't been out in my garden in a while. And I actually need to do a garden tour for you all. But been doing a lot of, I love doing experimentations with my garden. Crazy experimentations, but nothing bad for the plant, safe and healthy. And I've gotten some good results. But I wanted to show you what I'm about to saute. I picked some of our artesian cabbage and actually our artesian broccoli. And these grow in single heads, so they grow a little smaller. They can get a little bit bigger, but I like to eat them right before they go to flowering. They're a lot sweeter to me. But anyway, I picked some and I'm gonna saute some greens. I already washed these off. Cut up my broccoli heads in there. And there goes some right here. These are the slender style tender broccoli instead of the calabrese. The fat heads, I just have all kind of pieces all mixed up in here. And got some kale. I have 2 varieties of kale out there. That's one variety of kale. I didn't pick the curly. This variety I wanted to try this year. Let's see. I don't think this is purple kale. I can't remember what the name of that is. Here it is. Okay. I took the stalks off. Yeah, and this is really good. Really tender and sweet. And then I have a box full of my Chinese cabbage. I love the Chinese cabbage. Y'all get you some. You hear me? Because these things are like $5 a piece at the store. And I'm not paying that price. So I just grew them myself. And I'm about to make some kimchi this week so we can get some probiotics going in our tummies. And some fermented carrots too. So I'll be using this style of cabbage instead of the regular flat head cabbage. But y'all, this is good. It's real tender and it's just good. I love it. I saute it. We eat it on rice. We eat it in stir fry. And this is the kind of cabbage, if you eat Chinese food, this is what they put in their Chinese food. So we love it. Yeah, we saute this stuff up with some kale and bok choy and collard greens and just put it in a any type of on any type of rice, or whatever it is that you want to eat it on. My kids just eat it fresh, or else they'll eat it sauteed in my cast iron skillet. I gotta season that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I just picked from the garden today, and about to get my gourmet chef on in my kitchen so I can feed my family. And many blessings to you all. Much love. Love someone on purpose and God's purpose. This is Sis, and I'm out.